May fight kayo.
Recording started.
Yeah.
Ano kailangan?
Yo, come back north, stop pushing. Stop pushing.
Map
Support,
check.
life curse, Demi, life curse.
Map check.
Come northeast here with me. Follow me.
Sana mali.
Follow me.
Mali yung head.
Follow me.
Pa-crown ako kay Orius, yun akong party lead sa atin.
May
Wala
demons
ka sa
ka?
party.
May demons ka na, Yunus? Wala pa.
Wala pa. Look.
Nice.
South. 5, south, 4, 3, 2, 1, south now. On me. Come back.
Push forward dito.
Tanks hold this. Wait.
Wala pa lang.
Just wait. Yo, other DPS come.
Ito ako yung race, oh. Pwede to clamp.
Ito na, pwede, ay, may engage ka na. Happy,
No, chill. 8 seconds. Hold them.
Sige, nasagdan. Nasagdan pa.
Okay.
Na-pressure
Wait.
nila dito sa, ano.
Walk southeast. Southeast deep. 5, southeast deep. 4, boots, 3, 2, 1. Middle now. This everybody, boys. Wipe this. And then go back. Spread. Light color coming. Defend. Help gray. Nice. You're fine. Go back to where you came from.
Map check, Yunus.
Andito kami sa
Nag-engage
cake.
yan, nag-engage.
Yeah. It's fine. You're good.
Saan?
Ticket
Ticket,
yung fight,
ticket.
ticket yung fight.
Copy.
Ready, boys. Southeast. Look. Follow me here. South 5, south 4, 3, 2, 1, south now. Here, middle. And then come back. Take your space northeast. Don't go back. Listen. Don't go back. Satius, wake up. Take your space here. Take your space on the sides. Keep it, watch the front, okay? Take your space here. Come south again. Walk southeast again. Oh, yo, come back. You ready? Wait. Take your space north. Yo, they're looking towards us. They're looking.
Yung mic
Okay,
mo,
wait. Wait. Yo, follow your ground. East. Come to the east. Yo, south on the bridge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look. Pick. And then come back.
J ko.
Come back. I need carving. Look. Come back. Wait now. Everybody, mount up. Come. Yo, mount up and then pass the center. Don't worry. Pass the center. Let them come to me. Come to me. Yo, help this guy. Yo, come. Come straight to me. Listen.
Jayco.
Look at north. 5, north 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Wipe this. Too late DPS. Come south. Come south again. Take your space out. Heal up. Okay, good job. Come. Wait here. Hold here with me. Come south. Don't make it obvious, boys. Wait now. Come. North. Walk northeast. Walk northeast. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Look.
Kagad nag-DDC ako, ah.
Keep walking. 5 seconds, we're gonna engage. Look. Keep walking. 5, 4, 3.
Yung aking...
Wait, keep walking. North 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I see them. Yo, keep walking east. Shadow on the east. Yo, keep it. Tignan mo yan, bomb squad yan, mag-hit yan. Come north. Keep walking. Follow them. Take sides on the east, boys. Take sides on the east.
Wala pang ano,
Take sides. Come. Keep coming north. Hold them now. Yo, they're fucking this.
Hold.
Yo, listen. Keep walking. Inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Kill us. Yo, just got to. I shouldn't have. Bro.
Yan.
Kill the rogue cat.
Nandito sila, ah.
Yan, na Jayco.
Kill this guy. I need you to kill him. Fighting to dyan. Yo, everybody regroup with me. Regroup with me. Regroup. Drop your ace. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, all the DPS, can you come to me, please? Can you come to me? Come to me, come to me.
Nasaan na kayo?
Okay, fighting dyan. Come.
Nandito.
Yeah. Just keep walking, Walk straight. Look.
Bibilis
So, I went out of my way just for these fuckers. Come southeast.
Nasa northwest sila.
No. Southeast. No fear, boys, okay? No fear. Take your space when you're done engaging, okay? Come, SC.
W tawan, nalilito.
Come, SC.
Walk!
Southeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, and southeast now. Good. And then take space west. Not there, Chen, south. Ay, ewan ko sa'yo.
You can
Come
push
south.
to them, what the fuck?
Ba't ka tumatakbo kasama sa kanila?
Pahit.
Bonak. Come north. Come side here. Listen. Come west side.
May
5 seconds.
narinig ako si Brick ha.
Yo, come back. Yo, north. Butsin. Wait. Not there. Don't drop it there. Not there. Keep walking. Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this bend. Fight this. Good. Yo, keep walking.
Set.
Yo, come. Chase them on the north side. Yo, kill this healer. Keep coming.
Astral, Gucci.
Keep coming. We have 63 people here. Yo, north. Butsin. GA now. Hold them, please. Asan na yung GA ko?
Ano dito?
Wala.
7-3. Perma.
Go. Go to the perma.
Tanga na, nawawala yung party.
Dito ako.
Wala, napatay na ng ano?
Loot up.
Napatay na ng alay.
Yo, just farm them. All of your is inside. Look, watch this, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
On ping, Gucci.
Go, kill Urios, kill!
Hmm?
Oh, ito, yung healer, oh.
Bro, I wait.
Mali yung pag-dismount.
So, kapatay natin yan.
Anong yun? Anong guild yun?
Patay mo na, Big.
Bro, I woke up for that shit, bro. Like, damn.
God. What the fuck? Pinapatay nila yung cheater? What the fuck?
I'm not even one party and I can fucking push the... All of your is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of your is. Damn, bro.
Ay na?
Isang kami.
Kapag tumama yun ha.
So, si Lady, oh. Gidyan natin, oh. Lulot ka, Lady, ah.
Vortex, Urios, oh.
Let's go back. Fuck that shit.
Zero good dun.
Sana ganda lang.
Wait, 3.
Yan ang bobo mo, kago ka.
Ano yung
Yawa.
nag-declare sa atin?
Yawa. My bad. Yawa. Pagka-engage yun. Nalit kasi ako nag-mount up ako kaya pag dismount ko late din.
Stop kami, gago. Push pro yun, gago. Yung alin na stop.
Ako pati naman nung longbow at astral
10 minutes daw, 7-4 sa cops.
7-4?
Utang, ina mo. Bunakis ka pa da.
Bumanak na part.
Utang, ina mo, nakikihay pa ako.
Balik ka na dito, saan ka na?
Wait lang, nag-relag ako. Magdo-DPS na ako.
Balik na ba tayo MLP?
GG Ala, I go back to sleep, bro.
Online,
Wala na.
Wala na.
Ganda ng content namin, Norius, eh. Pinong namin yung HO, yung Masa Musa. Kita mo, wala na sa taas. Binong namin yan. Tapos nakita namin may magmamas pala.
Tinatong nasa
May
din.
mag-a-attack.
Let's go. Let's go. Boys, let's go.
Wala
Did we have
na.
loot? Did we have loots? Can we split the loots? Come start.
Uy, nice. May split. Wala akong loot. Ah, may split pa.
You guys weren't
Nice.
looting?
Magsilot eh.
Meron ako.
Bibilis mag-slot mo na.
Kala ko pa lang, nag-ready pa.
Ang bibilis mo gano'n, no?
Ah, si Chen lang naman namatay ito ng bonus.
Taka na, di nga ako nakadonsong eh.
Bro, I was
Si
supposed to
Ricky,
chill tonight.
Bona ka, Ricky. Hindi ako nakadonsong. Oo nga pala eh. Naka-GA nga ako eh. Si Reggie, oh. Boss Reggie. Boss Reggie. Ah, oo.
Dinidelete din sila ng alay eh.
Pero pre-hit ako doon eh.
Sana naka-party ako sa alley eh.
Saan yung step? Saan yung step dyan?
Pre-hit ako kagabi, bossing Reggie. Pre-hit. Kita mo, pre-hit ako.
lang. Spell step.
Tara sa outpost na lang. Okay. Let's go.
Nakita mo, bossing Reggie kagabi, pre-hit
Boys,
ako.
let's go outpost. Let's go.
Serious mo ako.
Ano man? Pa may 9:30 ka wa.
Trabaho ko.
Tara, sama ako sa...
Look, ang ito, ni mo. Nang, uy, charot. Sige. Guys, I think Spirit Hunter and Kirby.
GG's up, GG's.
Can we depot first? Can we depot first?
Pwede ako carving, par.
Sige, good.
Hindi ako damnation.
Mabalik, ramang ko, mga kulig ko.
Sige.
Sapa.
Kaya na yung 30 pa mga kamulakaw.
Ano to, Guardian Armor, Judy?
Guardian.
Diba? Magkakasabot tayo.
Hindi, may potion.
Sana
May ano?
diretso sana kami outpost eh.
May outpost sa step, kinukuha daw.
Stop ko na to.
Depo ko lang.
Naka-recording ako eh.
If anyone wants to come, we need more brawlers here.
Nahihilang ako.
We need more judicator.
Hindi ko lang nagulag pag-ultra.
Wala bang party dyan? Pahinga party.
Nakita ko yung umalis eh.
brawler. Ano, may new brawler ko, bro. Pero ako party prep, invite.
Oh, right.
Reparty, invite. Nahihilang ako.
Mercy ako. Ano ko yung step natin.
Puta, ini-engage lang sila kahit walang namamatay, nagpapanik sila.
Ailot, no?
Yeah. Drop it on si Taylor.
Makapunit eh.
Ay, 10 minutes daw. Guys. Ako,
Tama ako, kung ano man yan.
7.4, 10 minutes.
Yun lang.
Tara, doon tayo. Let's go.
Invite.
Yung brawlers na yung iba, tapos
So, may
healers.
Green Hollow Copes naman yung ano eh. 7.4. Malapit lang sa OP pa.
Brawlers na iba.
Brawlers na yun, diba?
PP, mag-dep tank ka na. Ayup ka.
Pa-ex.
Anong-
Maganda na yung GA mo, huwag mo na sirain. Oo.
Dapat sinabi mo sana, Kifi, brawler ako.
Brawler ka sana ako eh.
Brawler.
I think we should just double OC, but bring extra food.
Ako, Orion, Astral ako.
Reggae make second party, please. Sino yun? Yung mag-astral? Si Chen?
Yun.
Chen, asan ka na, Chen? Fix your role, please. X-party to. Bring
Ganyan lang
extra
kayo.
food. Bring extra food. Gago, andito pa rin sila. Gago, babalik ba itong mga to?
Baka sa ano yan, sa 7.4.
Yung invite second party, Mauri, can you invite people second party? Come SE, boys. Come SE.
Grabe, wala na ako.
Saan ka? Ano ka ito, invite.
Nasa ano? Invite party to.
Mag-out ka na talaga, no? Tawa?
Mas malapit kung
Hindi,
sa...
nililito lang yun.
Sa Darius, tapos mag-terrorist tayo. Ako sa pa-charger ko.
Oh, sige, we have fight, 27 people.
Ilang ka percent?
Invite flap, invite flap, invite flap, We need more healers, ha? We need more healers. We need more healers. We need more healers, guys.
Tatlong hollow pool natin, boy. Tatlong hollow pool.
Hello? Ano? We need light.
May respect ba ako sa play?
Mateo. At yung sumali ka nga sa guild para di ka ma-hit. Gago, alis ka ng alis eh. Kamos. Come on daw.
West. Double
Oo,
O,
bawal nga. Sisipain din kita pag may ginawa ka ulit na karantaduan.
double O, diba? Double O.
Oo.
Ito na kayo.
Ang gamit mo,
Walang tayo healer, par.
Hide, fix roll, hide.
Dalawa lang talaga healer natin.
Ay, sorry.
Oo,
Ako healer,
tatlo. Ayan si Flap, oh. At ayun, lima na. Ayun pa, oh, 6 na. Mateo, guild, bilis. Invite kita.
Nasa amin, nasa party to si Flap.
Ano need ko, boss?
Delay tanks. Ayun, disrupt tank.
Di alam mo paano mag-delay tank. Patay tayo dito.
Boys, come SW fast.
Putik yan, no? Very bad.
Boys, SW.
Blue Dice, bigay mo nga yung party lead.
We need maulers, brawlers. Okay, bahala. Let's go. Doon. Ano, papahinga sana ako. Come in. Northeast.
Okay, lumabas na kayo?
Yeah.
Na kayo? Northeast, border.
Hindi, Mudfoot Sound. Nasa Mudfoot Sound na kami. Northeast of Mudfoot.
Sige, punta na ako din.
Saan tayo pupunta, boss? Para
Doon sa 7.4. How many people party to?
1, 2, 3, 4, 7 lang kami.
7 na kami.
27.
Brawlers ba yan, party to? May mga naka-halberd ba?
Tatlo. Hindi. Dalawang healer. Yung dalawa di ko pa nakikita eh.
Mag-halberd.
Kingmakers, Maulers.
Wait lang.
Naka-bastion ka, Ricky.
Ano ata siya, Juggernaut?
Ricky, may double debuff ka. Homesick.
Ay, puto ko naman ako din, double diva.
Ano ba yun sa battle mode?
Nadagdag yan.
alam para bagay sa comp natin, Orius.
Sino tong blob?
Kala ko naka-dismount.
Sino to?
All singularity, pre.
Catch them. Catch them inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ito.
Ayan o, ito.
Wala.
Yo, half of my party is not here. Where are you?
Boss, Ricky doon. Kalam para bagay sa comp
Kuya mo,
natin, boss.
Grace, Issues, Shifu, Yoplef, Gabo. Sana kayo.
Mid ako.
Shit! Sa top.
Check ako may dito ano.
Zone out.
Singularity. Roll comp sila.
8.
Roll ba
Labo,
yan?
butike.
Dapat ba yun eh?
Ako pre,
Labo, butike.
BL nga ako eh.
Ang dami nilang ano. Ang dami nilang Kingmaker tsaka
Roller yan.
Guys, if they brawl you, stop running and look for heals on the...
May nasa area.
Bearpo Kingmaker yung comp nila.
Yeah. Can we catch them? Can we catch them? Can we catch them, please?
Yo, DPS, you can help the healers. Not get rolled.
Fight, niggas.
Can we catch them?
Wait.
If you can catch people there.
Yun ang Terry. Box.
Etong stag sa likod. Try ko catch.
Ito, may nakastag.
Yo, dismount and spread. Dismount and spread. Look. They're on top of me. Spread. They're on top of me. Just walk in. Don't run. Good. Yo, come to the back line. South 5, south 4, 3, 2, 1. In the middle. And then spread out. Yo, heal the middle. Look. Don't run. Nice. Good. And then come west a little bit. Come on the west side. Look, listen. Come north. Spread out, boys. Spread out. They're engaging again. Pots now. Nice heals. Come northwest. Keep kiting. Ready inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now.
Ay, what the heck?
Come northwest. Bakit Ginag? Come northwest. Keep kiting. Come northwest. Kite now.
Yo, ready
Kill. Wait now. Don't run. That's just a 4-4. Peel up. Nice heals. Ready. Inside. 5, inside. Wait. Actually, west. Come west. Dodge this. Keep dodging. Ready. Inside. Yo, don't run. Stay on my Judy in the middle. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now.
Hunter, yapon Norios.
Oh, Spirit Hunter pa rin. Yo, and then spread north side. Spread on the northwest. Declamp. Defend the northwest. Nice. Defend the northwest. Help Jill kill. Nice, good job. Come west. Keep coming west. Green Halo. Come up. Tanks, hold this now. Tanks, come southeast. Downhill. Come down. North upstairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. Good shit. Fuck, that's how you fucking wipe this dog.
May pumapasok ng ano.
Yeah. You know, that's how you fucking fight a brawl, bro.
Pumapasok to.
Kill this guy. Yun ang brawl yun.
Uy, gagi, baka inamay na yata. Pre, may glove dun, oh.
That's how you fight a brawl, okay, boys? Come. Good kite.
May
Nice
level
heal.
4 disarray dun sa Teria.
Yeah, good deals. Good tanks, good heals. Good space.
Fight.
Come southeast.
Savage squad, level 5 DA.
Come SE. Come to me. Ang ina yan. Boys, you just continue growing your balls, okay?
Gagi,
Come
5
SE.
minutes. 5 minutes off now.
Likoran ko ah.
Ay, andun pala sa north. Okay, come north. Di ko alam. Boys, wait. Wait.
Regroup. Wait.
Ilang minutes?
Hindi, ano na.
Open.
Open na.
Okay. Come.
Minamain.
Come. Good deals, baby. Good deals. Keep it coming.
Pabos na, boss. Ipitin. Dito ako sa taas mag-display.
Dito ako sa taas. Dalawa kami boy. Tara.
Yeah.
This muna tayo.
Yeah. Can we sneak in? Can we sneak in towards them?
Ito.
Can we sneak in? Sneak in now. Dismount on the back line. Dismount. Come.
Nasa gitna.
Yeah. Yo, on the gate. 5, on the gate. 4, 3, 1. Wipe the gate. Good. And then take space northeast. Fast. Yeah. Take space northeast. Gather nyo na. Ay, nag-gather na?
Oo, nasa...
Wait. Have your front. Yo. 12 seconds. Listen, kill the guards.
Kayo pa-stack na. Dito ako sa comms.
Kill the guards here. Yo, my tanks, be careful on the front, ha?
Okay, copy.
May dumaan na old singularity dito sa Terry.
Ayun, meron na map. Okay na
They're
pa.
weak, boss. They're weak. They don't have engage, They don't have engage lang.
Yo, come SE. Come SE, come SE. Yo, come back. Okay, kill the guards here. Yo, be careful on your SE ah. Be careful SE. Mateo pa kayo, bantayan yung SE. Yo, may tanks, be careful. Gray. Ingat ka, Gray.
You don't have engagement.
Yo, ready.
Pre,
Yeah. Yo, can we slowly come up?
Pre, yung buhay mo.
Actually, come out. Namamatay tayo sa guards. Can we kill the guards first? That's a fake, you're fine.
Gagi.
Wala silang DPS eh. Be careful boys, be careful. Kill the guards first. All of your east on the guards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of your east now, all of your east.
Ito, 6.2 ano.
Wag yan. Yo, don't kill him, don't kill Mateo, don't. Boys, come back. Can we kill the guards, please? Kill the guards. Yo, by the way, double OC. Yo, can we kill this? Can we kill this guy? Inside, 5, inside, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Hit inside. I'm sorry. Yo, can we brawl this? Brawl them now.
Out to Gray.
Brawl them now. Gray, out ka muna, Gray. Help Gray on the northwest. Go, one. Oh, Gray. Nasa cops ba yan?
Pre, lumabas na sila.
Yo, come northwest. Tanks hold northwest now. Yo, catch them on the northwest now. Catch them on the northwest now. Catch them. Keep coming. Keep it coming. Look, you're gonna engage on the jug. I'm gonna fake. Wait lang, jug. I'm gonna fake. Wait now. Ready on the jug. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the jug.
Nice one.
Good. Defend all together. Good job. Yo, finish the lows here. Grab the lows, boys. Grab the lows. Nice. Grab the lows. Keep grabbing them. Okay, good job. Chill for now.
Dismounted
Yo, can we- Yeah. Boys, come back. Stop staying there. Stop staying on the choke. Get off the choke, boys.
Let's naka-engage.
Yeah. Southwest. 5, southwest. 4, 3, 2. No. Hit the jug again. Ooh, good shit. Come back. Guys. Stop looting. Stop checking the bodies. Look. You're checking the bodies. Keep checking the bodies. Come back. Okay, good. Nice. Stabilize, boys. Double OC ha, don't forget.
Yellow Zudoy, grabe ka.
Can we kill the guards here? Yeah. Chill. Healers staff, don't mana.
Napaka-hard.
Yo, healers, manage mana please. Manage mana. Look, ready your pots, they're looking. Look. Ready your pots, they're looking.
Yung people on the southeast come back.
Yeah.
Nag-control kayo sa southeast.
Yeah. Can we bait the BM? Wait. Yo, boys, I need you to pots here, okay? Pots here, ready your clerics when we come back. Ready the root bound also. Wait now. Bait the BM. Wait now. Ready on the BM. Wait. I'm gonna fake. Okay, wait. Yo, pots now. Trust me, pots now. Ready on the BM. 5, on the BM. 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Okay.
Bago
It's
na
fine. Come back. Actually, come back.
Southeast.
Yeah. Come back. We failed. It's fine. Kill.
Sabi yung tao sa southeast. Ayaw pa bumalik.
Come
Magkasi si
SE.
Mateo.
Come SE. Look. Come SE. Act like we're leaving. Bakit namatay si Jill dun?
Hindi, ano siya. Ano yung mga...
Process nila as well.
Yo, help me, Nashi. Hello?
Nakapatay si Minashi.
Don't
sila
click on
nag-overstay.
Yo, come southeast, please. Please, listen to me. Look. Look at your crown.
Huwag niyo patayin si Mateo pa.
Come SE.
Spot natin yan eh.
Ito lang Remount.
Sige, come northwest.
Bida ka to part.
Yo, my tanks, you're dying inside. Here you go, be careful.
Basta way balista lagi.
Uy, maganda yun ah. Wait lang sa Yori.
Yo, engaging.
Yo, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Drop ears on the show.
Ay, tumulak sa akin.
Yeah. Okay, come back. Ano yun? Naka-assassin.
Magamit na lahat ko.
Yo, come back. Tanks come back. Just come back. Come back. Ready your 5 seconds, they're gonna engage. Ready your pots, ha? They're engaging, defend. Yo, pots in. I'm gonna pick. Ready on the jug. 5 on the jug. 4, 3, 2, 1. No, hit the jug. Holy moly. Yo, come in. Drop duties in the middle. Heal the middle. That's a pick. Don't mind that. Yo, 8 seconds. Yo, actually, 8 seconds, they're gonna engage. Ready your defense.
Heal the two.
Move out. Defend. Defense. Where's the root bound? Heal Satsu. Look, Satsu's dying in the front. Alam, mamatay pa nga. Patay nga, gago.
Pahing heals pa.
Ready inside us. On these tanks. 5, 4, 3,
Left,
2,
dito ka.
1. Inside us now. And then come out. Come out. Just come out. Defend now. Defend. Nice, boys. Heal.
Gago ka.
Sorry, boss.
Hindi ako makalabas.
Yeah.
Ka pa.
Out. Come out. Help clap here. Oh my god, Plap died.
Out na kayo.
Out na. Stop coming. Yo, help Mori. Healers heal your front. Okay.
Nahila ko.
Come back. Wait now.
Ito.
Can you kill Green here?
Lock pa.
Can you kill this?
Bin 7, patay na ako.
Can you kill this guy?
Wala, tinatrash talk ko.
Yo, 5 inside. 4, 3,
Take care.
2,
G8.
1. Upstairs. Nice. Come back.
DPS.
Yo, guard drone.
Come back. You're fine. You're done. Hold up if you haven't, yes. This is their color, I marked their color.
Akiram sa recall yan eh. Dili ba?
Sige. Yo, stop killing Mateo. Focus on the fight.
Sino tong Mateo?
Ready inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now.
Patay. Bubo.
Bubo.
Stalker ka ha.
Ready, they're gonna counter. Defend.
Guard drone. Where Arius is.
Uy, na-dep ko, ano ko na.
Yeah, help Sayori, heal the front. Healers, heal. Hello.
Stand sila.
10 seconds engage na.
Okay, wala akong mana.
Heal the mid, show.
Healers, the north side is open. You can angle here.
Heal the mid.
Wait. Actually, come back first.
Labas tayo.
Come back first.
Hintayin ka na.
Actually,
Hayaan natin na
Lalabas yan.
Yeah. Come back first. Just wait.
Hilahin ko, tapos follow mo.
No, wait. Just wait. Yo, stay spread. Just wait, boys. Wait, listen to me. Stay spread.
Pwede ko mahila ni House, ha?
Ayaw. Wait. Just wait. I have an idea. Wait.
Yung healer said they need mana.
Yeah, they needed mana. It's fine.
Ang inano ko. Ginawa kong pala ka.
Yo, ready on me. Listen, look. We're gonna kill their caller, okay?
Guard drone this.
We're gonna kill their caller, okay? Wait now. Just wait. Yo, actually kill this guy. Kill this guy on the back. Just kill him.
Yes,
Kill him. Yeah, they're looking. Wait. Ready on the choke.
Lumalabas oh.
Yeah. Wait. Just wait.
They're too deep.
Just wait. Cheese. Here to the. Wait. Just wait.
Ano, ganda ng content natin ngayon. Sarap.
Chen, hilain mo nga, Chen. Hilain mo, Chen. Dito, silent pad. Ready on Chen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hila na. No. Kill him. And then come back. It's fine. Yo, come back fast. Look. They're gonna engage on the choke.
Engaging,
Root
solo.
bound sa nag-root bound.
Yo, help the front.
Your front, please. Help Mori here. Mori, did you die? Mori, bakit ka andun?
Wala
Come
root
back.
bound
Yeah.
Nahatak ako.
Tell me cooldowns. I told you. Just play with me.
Spirit Hunter red.
Boys, can you play with me, please? Play with me, please.
10 seconds. Pwede na ako.
Maglaro yan pa. Patay na talaga siya.
Fake ko ah.
Wait. Ako na mag-fake. Wait now. Boys, listen. Look. Pay attention, Pay attention. Yo, no more. Wait. I'm gonna fake. Wait now. I'm gonna fake. Ready on the jug. Diri nga sa front. Wait now. Ready on the jug. 5, on the jug. 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Color dead. Defend now. Defense. Defense. Ready.
Upstairs, please. Kill upstairs.
Kill pa na here. Ano, naglulot ko.
Broken ah.
Yeah. Yo, south. Look. South now. Look. Hold them now. South. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. On the south. And then come back. All the way back. Kill your front.
Ayun ang yabang pa mo ng color nila kanina.
Kaya nga eh. Come back.
Ah, ito na to.
Grabe naman yung job, guys. Grabe naman yung job, par.
Ano yun? Ano pangalan nun? Akira Portator.
Akira. Sama ko yan sa raid yan. Mongolid yan.
Sino mo, patay. Opo ka.
Come northeast.
Ako na po ipa-charge ulit.
Look. This is their second caller, ha? Kusihira. Look. Ready, look at the gate, boys. Their DPS is gonna come from the gate, okay? You're gonna counter. Take your space. Wait now. Take your space.
No, yung
Kill the
mga
guards.
DPS sa
Can we kill the guards here?
Nag-drop ng yung spike nila.
Burn, hide and trace, pasok kayo. Masyadong safe yan.
Can we kill the guards? Look at the crowd. Kill the guards here. They're looking. Listen, they're looking. You're gonna headbutt, okay? Kill the guards. Look at your crowd. Can we kill the guards here?
Ready is nila.
Here.
Oh, yung mga healer nandito. Yung nag-engage sa akin.
Patay ka?
Hindi. Buhay.
Yo, can you pull them? Come north. Come to me here. Tangs, be careful south, okay? Look south lang. Max range, boys. Max range.
Titignan ko mga brawlers dito.
Ready, I'm gonna fake this, Make it look real. Look at your crown. Step up a little bit. I'm gonna fake this. Wait now. Ready on the jug. 5 on the jug. Wait.
Wala na ako.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop on the choke. Blow the choke, and then come back. Top up the backline. Okay. Come back. Good deals. Wait.
Bye.
Wait here. Just wait. Let's play our... It's fine.
May
Yeah.
sa end here.
Hindi daw panghilan ni ano eh.
Kaya mag-panel.
Ready SE. On this tanks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. SE now. Kill green ball. And then come back. Look, they're coming.
Engaging looking.
Nice Shifu.
Sayori.
That was smart. Okay. Nice.
Naka-engage ah.
Wala pa may engage. Wait. Good job,
Hindi
Shifu.
na ito ni-edit.
Yeah, okay. Good.
Stairs ng taas.
Boys, we go deep, okay? We go deep. Ready.
Let's guard run this, oh.
Guard run the choke, ha?
Guard run the choke.
Setup ko yung clamp, teka. Setup ko.
Not the gate. The choke.
Can we kill this? Kill the tank here. Look.
Ayun to.
Kill this tank. Ready, southeast, 5, southeast, 4, boots, 3, 2, 1, southeast now. And then come back. Defend the front. Wala silang damage. Out. Tanks out na. You've done your part. Nice.
GA.
Good, GA. Come. That's it, boys. That's all you need to do.
1v1 mo yan, Gabo. Ang ina mo, pag di
Nice
mo na
keep.
pala yan.
Nice keep.
1v1 kayo ng Plantator, Gabo. Dali.
Ayaw na lumabas, oh. Come northeast, boys. Come northeast. They don't wanna come out. Come northeast.
Tamamas ko po.
Are they coming? Act like we're leaving. Yo, come.
Big mount up.
Ayun na sila.
Yo, SW, walk. SW, boats. SW, on the gate, south, 5, south, 4, on the jug, look at the jug, it's fine. Look at the jug, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now.
Ayun, sorry.
Come back.
Silensan akong sa loob.
Sige lang.
Sayori, come back.
Come back.
Ang pagantay ang job.
Come back. Yeah. Yo, dep. Defend this. Defend this. Can we defend this?
Engage in 10 na. Engage in 10 na.
Yeah. Yo, look. Their color's back. Their real color's back. Wait. Akira is their color. Okay, wait, no. You're gonna engage on him again. Look at this guy. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Okay, wait. Wait, and then spread out. Ready your defense. Spread out. Defend now. Def. Please. Nice. Okay, ready? Wait. Tell me cooldowns, boys.
20, 15.
11 lang.
Okay. Just play within this space. Can you brawl the color here? Brawl this color. Look. Brawl this color. I'm gonna fake, okay? I'm gonna fake. Look at the tanks. I'm gonna fake. Wait now. Ready? South 5, south 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the jug. Oh. And then come back. Ready your defense. Pats now. Trust me. Pats now. Good job. Come back north. Good is.
Pwede ka.
Wala na, pake na tayo. Ay naman. Basta yung deal siguro.
Let's go. Come northeast here.
Ayawan na.
Boring.
Boring.
Yan, wala ako.
Down. No, don't mount up. I didn't call for mount up. This mount.
Mount up.
Come southeast.
Dalhin nga natin sa bridge.
Come southeast.
Ewan. Susunod.
Lalabas ba yung mga yan?
Kami si...
Level 11 DA sila.
Sarin natin.
Walang dami. Ba't walang dami?
Be careful over the walls, boys. Ha? Come and see. Trust me. Just keep walking. All they can... Let them bark. Dogs are noisy when they're stupid. You know? So,
Alam mo, bas-bas sila. Hindi naman ayaw
Kami
lang nila ng fight yan.
Ay, yung map, gago, matulog kayo dyan.
Sa itong mobs ka.
Isa lang din sa.
Mas may down.
Second.
Pa yung guards.
Sumunod ba?
Hindi.
Hindi, ayun na, andito na sa northwest natin, Urias.
Yeah, come southeast. Stop inching up. Yo! Nagpapaka-obvious naman kayo. Come SE. Yung color niyo. Come. Don't make it obvious. Let them come if they want to come.
Ganun na, palo si Kushura.
Come south. Come south.
Hindi man
Ulit na
lalabas.
meron. Out sa orange.
Ayaw nila ng
Mount up.
Ayaw nila ng open
Out sa
world.
orange.
Yeah.
Boring
Sige.
naman yan.
Kamas. Kamas. Are they trying to catch you?
Hindi naman.
Wala? No?
Ayaw na.
Ayaw na nila.
Angat naman ang UTC na to, 18 to 19.
Let's go. Depo all your loots and then we split everything.
Okay, nice.
Ano, may gising pa ba niyan? Anong oras yan?
Dati kami
Oo,
gising.
Alas
Pira yung mga
Yeah.
umaga. Ay, alas
Yeah.
2 ng umaga.
Alas 2 ata yan eh.
Alas
It's very
4
boring,
yan. 1
bro.
PM yan. 18.
Hindi,
Ayaw, tama. Alas 2.
20 yung alas 4 eh.
Friend, gising kami dati yan.
Kami din dati. Madaming ganap yan pag
Tayo.
18 UTC boy.
Hindi isip pa yata ako, Gagi.
DC ka, Givi. Saan ka?
Oo, busy ako.
Saan ka ba?
Pa-zone in na black screen nang nag-zone in.
Let's hold it. Let's set up. Let's hold it.
Okay. Terrace na.
Okay ka na?
Okay na.
Absolutely no
Okay
tension,
na, okay
man.
na.
Let's go. Not worth it.
Not worth it.
Nabuo.
What is this?
Pangat ka ba
Carnage.
kanina?
Mm-mm.
Nahatak na, tinulak pa. Tapos pinolimorph pa.
Pinopolymark na lagi ako. Putang ina.
Kaya hindi ako hindi ako nakapag-face kay Sandal eh. Napapolimorph eh.
Kaya pala namatay si Rosas.
Bakit?
Nag-DC siya sa fight.
Gising na siya kago. Ayulan.
Gather set na daw.
Gago, on bid.
Yun. Sa chest.
Giri-giri pa rin sila.
On M.
Just
Bossing. Sa chest. Bossing.
Go home guys.
Mercury. Mercury.
Uy, asan na kayo? Zone na.
Ha?
Yo, zone in! Boys,
Zone
I'm
in, zone in.
coming home. I'm going home.
Mercury siya doon.
Ano magkano?
Let's go home. Let's go. Saan ka? I want to rest today. You know?
Dapat
Bitin laban
pahinga
yun,
lang
Ross.
eh.
Ha?
Bitin laban.
Tangina mo, bakit?
Na 14 daw Auriso.
No. Pag kayo, Orius, let's rest. Tapos pag ako, ayaw niya. Look. Yun.
Tarata.
Sandal katarungan.
Minsan na nga lang mag-DPS na disconnect pa.
Bobo ka.
Malas mo naman, par.
Gusto nyo
Ina-
makita yung boot ko.
Guys, your defensives are really good these days. It's really good. Healers. Damn, jabal done.
Dapat kahapon yan eh.
Oo nga eh. Ay, hindi, kahapon. Tangina, I feel molested. That's why I want...
Kahit anong gawin natin kahapon,
Minulist ka naman talaga tayo kahapon.
Vortex daw.
Vortex.
Vortex daw. Palag daw, Vortex.
Ito, man.
Boss, Vortex,
Pera
boss.
din yan. Pera din yan.
Points din, points.
Nawalan ako ng pera kanina.
Ang ina nyo, 10 minutes na lang OC natin.
10 minutes, oh. Sakto
10
yun.
minutes. Di per die, pre.
Di OC,
Di
di
per
OC.
squid.
Okay,
May
depo
mga
everything.
yung iba.
Sige, puta.
You know?
Napilit eh.
Depo first. Depo
Depo
first.
daw, depo.
Gagi na, na-depo ko yung food ko.
Hindi nga pala.
Tara na, content. May report dito sa labas.
Ayun, no?
Kaya nga. Depo first. We have loots, bro.
Coalition. Ayun.
Coalition march down.
Repo, restock on pots, restock on foods.
Yeah, restock your food and pots, please.
Yung
Ano
food
naman
ko
yung
na-depo
mga
ako.
puno. Pangit yung kabanding, namimilit kayo, part.
Saan ba? Anong map?
City loot.
May loot.
Ganyan ka na naman, Yurius. CTA freeze, tapos biglang bukas may ping.
Kaya ito legit talaga, sabi ko, wag na. Ito legit
Kaya na lang
talaga.
yun.
No need OC break, it's fine. It's fine.
Kaya yung momento ko.
No need to SC break.
10 minutes, it's fine.
Returning the favor lang, Yurius.
Kaya lang mag-depo muna ako. May loot ako eh.
Mag-depo muna.
Depo CK loot, please. Come SW, SW.
Okay. Sige.
Yo, 5 seconds.
May nanonood agad ng pod, boy.
Tara na. O, wala naman.
Dito kami, dito kami.
Dali, ibenta nyo sa Mary Forest, sabihin nyo 10M.
Tara.
Hindi.
Split na natin. Dagdag sa
Ano ba
split.
yan? Ano ba yan?
Blue Vortex, dali.
Tara, tara.
Tara.
Invite naman kami sa party to.
Invite part.
Kami sa party.
Kami ni Igo.
Oo, ang dami na silip.
Lago, dito tayo
Turn
nag-lunch.
kaya.
Ay, gago. No, come back.
Kami na bakit nasa loob?
Bro, there's no fight, bro. Ito, catch them.
Pera din.
Hanap ng fight.
B1, nag-ano.
Yeah, actually, no. Come to me. There's a blob here.
You come border, everyone.
Come to Mad Futsal.
Magpudsam.
Ano ba? Saan ba?
Mary Forest is
Gano'n kalaki Mary Forest?
level 1 so far. Level 1 so far.
Okay, dismount here.
Ay, yung mga bobo yung pre.
Can we kill this mob? I'm waiting for the others. Kill this mob first. Yo, come to the chest. Listen, come to the chest. Tanks up front. Come to the chest. Come to...
You, everyone.
Yeah, come to me. Listen. I'm in the back side.
Gumadput sa...
Nag-go sila.
Come northwest. Come northwest. Can we try and catch them?
Ako 7 minutes.
Doon yung vortex.
Nag-food up pa sila.
Mga commit ata.
Come. Keep coming north.
Ito pre, ito nag-dismount.
Nag-OC na sila.
Come. Keep coming north. Be careful, boys. Be careful.
Wala.
Be careful.
Another vortex coming from Mount.
Yo, can we try and catch them, please?
Saan ba sila?
Nakatsa ko GG.
Kakatch ko sa north.
Okay. Yo, spread.
Turning.
They're looking. Wait. Yo, start faking engages and drop Judy's in the middle. Okay. Wait now. Inside. Look. Your crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me.
Sarap boy.
Oh, buto.
Walang
Mabuto. Gago, spread. Spread, guys. Drop Judy's in the middle. Don't run. Spread. Yo, light color in the east. Nice dodge, Flop. Okay, come west. Fake engage now. Fake engage again. Yo, ready inside. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the zone. Boom. Yo, keep killing them. Yo, I have my Judy inside. Yo, they're running. Look. Infinity Blade. Boom.
Healer oh.
Boom.
Huli.
Give me money.
Bang. Yo, so
punto.
Kaya nyo, boom.
Ito ay nahabol namin.
Boom, baby.
Go. Chase them all. Sige, pumasok ka dyan.
Naglalaro ng ano ah.
Dito, ulit stop.
Asan Mori?
Kukuha nila vortex, Orias.
Sige lang, ipakuha nyo na. Mas madami tayong loot. Tangina, layo ng ticket ka, Mort. Go, mount up.
Uy,
Ito.
Gigi, go. Mount up. Abol. Ay, siga po, mamapatay si Tamo. Ay!
Help me! Green!
Boy, sige po.
Oy, may
Ping. Asan?
Behind!
Uy, may nakikita ako dito. Sige, kukunin ko agro. Oh, pugutan nyo.
Ako na.
Puta, pinasok, gag.
Oy, may blab ba?
Kami yan sa ano yan, mga kalaban.
Yo, out. Feel the
Banding ni Oreo, akin na yun, babatukan ko yun eh.
bobo ka. Mount up. Asan si Jack?
Serious, may blab.
Yeah, come to me first. Yo, smart.
Carnage on ping.
Pirates.
Carnage.
Boys, Boys chill, boys chill,
Help
boys
us.
chill.
Chill down.
Kahit niya papunta sa amin.
Hindi kami pinapatay yung mga mga
Ay, si, ano, Chen, reawake na si Chen ba?
Come SK, come SK.
Gucci ng Astral.
Ayun ba yung
Oh.
point?
Ayun o, yung nasa gitna.
Ay, 5 minutes ha.
Oh,
5 minutes.
Oh, Astral.
Orius, 5 minutes.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Tumatakbo.
Guys, don't die ha, don't die. Are they running?
Yes.
Patay yung
Yeah, they're running.
Mosquito ganking.
Ito, Astral Boy!
Astral Orius.
Ang inatin gagawin ko dyan ha, nasa likod ako, bubo ka ba?
Patay niyo yan.
Dito sila.
Diego.
Sila
Nice DA.
sa likod natin.
Ito, Astral. 5 Coco ko. Putang ina pangalan yan.
Yo, full engage, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nyempe yan.
Hindi ka dito.
Oy, patayin niyo!
Kailangan
Ayaw
pera.
mamatay na
Hindi
ito.
ka
Bago basta.
Mount up.
Ano?
Guys!
Oh, nakatch. Oh.
One thing. Dismounted.
Sorry for you, bro.
One thing, sir. Dark Blue himself.
Yo, there is one thing you. Dark blue. Oh. Dark, don't die, please.
Come to me, bro.
Oh, we're coming for you,
Okay,
brother.
let's go.
Don't leave our brother. Brother, we're coming.
We're coming.
Uga.
Keep together strong.
Uga.
Order po.
Uga.
Uy, madami dito kaya, madami.
Dami.
Let's go.
God, let's go. Yo, kill these guys. 5, inside 4, 3, 2, 1, motherfucker on me. Zone in. Yo, let's stop. Ay, gago kayo, mababasagan ako. 2 minutes na lang ako. Stop.
Miss Pero yung Miss Pero, yun.
Halo po.
West, on the west, boy. Alam, bobo ni Hachi.
Miss.
Boy, yung ano, boy.
Oy, si break, let's go.
Boy.
Okay, we're bound.
Wala kayo
Uwian na.
Uwian na.
Ay, gano'n po ito
Oy.
Paldo na tayo.
Abot pala ta 14, boss. Abot pa ta 14 to, boss.
Ay, kaya marami tayo eh.
2 minutes vortex.
Wala kayo dyan. Ang ina nyo, uwi na ako.
Vortex border. 2 minutes.
Wala ka, tangina ka. Dito na ako sa pingo.
2 minutes daw, border oh.
Ang ina nyo, uwi ko na.
Color natin.
Hanap kayo corner.
Yung color
Ito po.
Third OC daw.
3 doses.
Wala kayo. Tara na kasi, wag na.
2 minutes.
Ang ina na babasag na. Guard.
Kaya
pa yan. Isang castle.
Isang terry pa.
Ala dyan.
Ayun, 30 seconds. Mauna pa
Lagi,
yung
1 minute.
OC break sa outlaw. Mauna pa yung OC break sa outlaw.
Wala kayo dyan, tatakbo talaga ako part.
Wala ka nang
Uy,
weapon.
ayaw talaga paawa to, huy! Wala kayo dyan.
Pera daw eh, pera din daw kasi yun eh.
I keep on telling them, bro. Let's go.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Tagal naman.
Dapat hindi iniiwan yung mga ano.
Hindi, kanina pa to.
Gago. O tara, wala, okay pa, wait pa ako. Tingnan nyo, inspect nyo ako. O tara,
Gago. Wala nasira. Lugi.
Gagi. Nakahood pre.
let's go.
Ayan, cleric.
Blah.
Wala kayo dyan, magbuhat talaga yung part.
Nag-mobilize yung ano natin, no? Ano dito, ano?
Oh shit.
Ilabang tayo dito.
Oh shit, they're coming, wala.
Oh shit.
Pambawi lang to, boss. Pambawi lang to para kahapon.
Oh my god, they're
Naglabas ng
coming.
galit eh, no?
Coming, they're coming.
Oy, spread. Guys, diblab southwest. No. I'm serious. Diblab southwest.
Magkalat-kalat kayo.
Mas malaki tayo.
Oh, kawawa si Hachi.
Nakakarinig ba ako ng ano? Nakakarinig ba ako ng
Walang
small
ulo
scale?
sinabi, boss.
Kawawa si Hachi. Walang natira.
Bahala talaga kayo. No, don't fight, bro. Fuck. No, please. Save your gears, niggas.
Ito si Hachi.
Ito ba yung isa gagi? Yung isa pal.
Bahala talaga kayo dyan.
Ay, old singularity, 1DA.
Tatakbo sila, tumatakbo vlog nila. Tara.
Sige, tara.
Old singularity, di. Old singularity.
Huwag na, balik na.
Tara, uwi. Si Hachi, boss. Panalo
Ayun
pa.
na.
Huwag na kasi.
Tara, uwi.
Alright, let's go home.
Depo.
Depo. And content.
Si Dark Blue, wala nang weapon si Dark Blue.
No! Bro, no! Go back!
Pwede na yan,
Go back!
pwede na yan.
Rigiran kambak. Sige, nagkambak.
Kaya Sando na lang naiwan kay Hachi, boss.
Kaya saan na lang eh.
Come back, guys! Let's go home! Tangina nyo. Ayoko na. Come from Northwest. Split.
Magre-reel. Going Terrence, magre-reel. Tara.
Orias yung ano ko dito, food ko dito, nilagay ko ha.
Kinuha ko. Tignan mo, ginamit ko nga yun.
Yung aba? Okay lang yun.
Ay, basog.
Hindi ko
Ay,
ginamit.
lalagay si Taylor to guild.
Si Taylor.
Silot.
Taylor.
Oh, 30.
Okay, 10
ganyan
minutes,
ba?
10 minutes. Let's go.
Mori, where are you, Mori?
Nandito.
Gago, 32 mil na pala to.
32 mil, oh.
Dami.
Yun, no! What the fuck? Nice. Yo, more loot, please.
Dagdagan nyo pa yan.
Hindi na karabas build.
Ano to? Para saan ba tong ano? Combat momento.
Wala.
Para
Display
sa
lang.
akin yan, guys. Wag ka maglulu dyan sa labas. Bakit yun? Ilagay nyo lang yan dyan, para sa akin yan.
Ako 36 mil.
Gago, ba't may calming sila? 5.2.
Ewan ko eh.
Mga
diversion.
Para hindi natin i-hit.
Yung last natin pinatay.
Mapinatay ko momento yan.
Tangina, nasa ni Hostisya, puro kay Gabo
Binigyan
yung
ba ng
ano.
katawan ko kanina? 6.1 na halberd to.
Tangina, puro
Ang
Gabo
akin
yung
ata
memento. Ang daya, nasa ni Hostisya.
Baka mata...
6.1.
No.
Teka lang ah.
No. They're bringing calming so that they can de-aggro.
6.1.
To aggro us. That's the point.
6.1.
Ano, may calming mo. 6.2.
Okay na ako.
8.2.
6.1 na halberd pre. Nata
Kasi
sinuot
mga
ko.
bogo yun eh.
Tama. Talino.
Hindi nakaka-ano yun eh. Hindi nakaka-one hit.
Gago na. Failed lunch na nga yung Mary Forest sa ticket. Namatay pa sa Vortex. Dapat.
Dadaan natin nila yun.
Yan, Tibayan, boss.
Gago 40M. Damn, everybody gets a good split.
Oh yes, let's go.
Okay.
For the first time makamulong split.
Lahat mga
Wait lang.
kapag namatay na ako kanina.
Hindi pa kami ready.
Halberd
Na,
build.
Orius, paano na Orius? Let's split kay trabaho ko.
Wait, may dedepo pa ako mga ina. Yan 41M. Let's go.
41 AM.
Ilan tayo? How many is party 1 and party 2? Don't leave my party, ha? Hala, may dalawa nang nag-leave. Okay.
Mali nila.
More for us. More for
For
us.
us. Oy, tatlo na. Oy, more
May
for
party
us.
to
More
ah.
for
May party
us.
to ah. May party to ah. Walang kalimutan.
Oo. Oy, nalaglag daw BM ni Shaw. Gago, ba't nalaglag?
Yun lang.
Tapos pinulot mo.
Oo, nilaglag.
Hindi, madumi na daw.
Pinakuyaan.
Ano ba?
Ano,
Nalaglag
ng ano, space lib. Namatay siya sa space lib.
5 seconds.
Ba't nyo dinala?
Dinala niya. Siya yung nagdala. Bumili ulit siya.
Maganda ba tong ano? Redemption? Punta ka
Guys, I will let you choose, okay? What do we do? Regear the OC break, weapon and armors only, or just full split?
Full.
Split.
Full split. Full split. Full
Okay.
split.
Mahal ang bilihin niya yun.
Gawa ka
Okay.
na ng full Urius, gawa ka ng full sa ano, sa
Wag
Discord.
na, wag na. I will listen to what I hear, the last thing I hear. Full split.
Split. Full split.
Give me oil! Give me oil!
Donate to the guild. Donate to the guild.
Donate to me!
Donate to me. Donate to the guild.
Donate to me!
Oy, 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 oy.
All split.
Donate to the guild.
Yeah, let's just,
Donate to the guild.
boys, listen. It's our first time, but let's just full split this. Is it okay?
Donate to the guild. Donate. Kaya pako kita sa krus eh. Kasi nagsabi ko donate.
Boss, Yati, boss.
Alam mo bang namatay na ako sa last crash na sa ano?
Hachi,
Urius,
Good
yung
job.
mga iba,
Mag-ligil
lugi kasi parang kulang pa ata yung split dun sa ano, nabasag sa kanila.
okay.
Ano kay Hachi? Ano magamit ni
Bro,
Hachi?
all is for content. You guys choose.
Split na. Matatagalan na.
Full split.
Full split ba na?
Full split.
Oo nga, okay lang yan kasi content naman eh. Grabe naman kayo.
Minsan lang nga eh.
Guys, it's just for content, okay? So let's full split this if it's fine. Yeah.
Yun naman si TA. Yeah.
Ay, grabe ka lang
Oo nga eh.
Tatanong ng ano, yung split. Ngayon, mag-split tayo.
Oh, sana yung nagtanong sa akin kung may split.
Wala na, bonus na yun, boy.
Kukunin ko yung hybrid ko.
Sabi
Hindi
nyo,
ba nag-ano nun?
yo pre, na-split na ba yung kagabi? Gulat ako yan, split natin kagabi. Ay,
Wala yung hybrid.
okay, how many people party 1 and party 2? Oy, 3 people left my party, ha?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yung mga momento akin.
Akin yun.
Ha?
Kung may kumuha ng araw.
Memento mine.
Chat mo na lang sa part sa ano, guild chat.
Gabo, trade.
Tinata tayo, Orius.
Where are you?
Siyam kami sa party 2.
Wag mo ibalik kay Gabo. Wag mo
Uy,
ibalik sa
sasalampak
matagal.
yan
Wag,
sa
wag,
HQ
wag.
ng ano.
Wag.
Okay,
Lagay mo dito.
sorry.
Wag mo ibalik.
Ilagay mo sa ano, sa
Ilagay
full
mo,
split.
huwag mo ibalik.
Split na natin yan. Wag niyo ibalik.
Sasalampak ko yan sa HQ ng ano eh. Creed.
Hindi na binalik nga ni Demi.
Niloko ka na ni Orius. Pinalik mo.
Gago.
Pala.
Madaling kausap.
Demi,
Ten?
200k kunin mo lahat ng memento.
How many party 2? How many party 2? 9 only?
Sasalampak ko sa
siyam lang
Creed
kami.
yan.
9 na? Final na yan, ha? Sige.
Demi.
Okay, party 1 is 17. So, 26 people all in all. Uy, gago, paldo.
Paldo.
Yan.
Paldo.
Magkano?
Bawi yan.
26. Calculator.
1-6.
No, bilis mo. Ako lang. 41, 578, 959 divided by 26. Oh.
Pa tayo dyan.
Oh, 16M. Oh,
Uy, gago, paldo.
1.6M, boys. Let's go.
Let's go.
Bawi yung gamit ko.
Post your loads in Orius zone. Wait. Party 2, post the party on loot split. Wag na lang sa Orius zone. Post it post it on loot split. I'll tag you, okay? Party 1. Wait, party 2, post it on the thread.
Basta, leader.
At party 2.
Ay, may thread na, okay. Thread yan? Sa thread may lagay mo, Ori. Wait lang. Gumagawa ako. Wait lang.
Delete ko muna.
Bangkayan.
Okay, go. Post it on party.
Sabi ko, go na agad.
Naka-hold na yung shift ko, boy.
Guys, be honest, okay? 1.6 each person, okay? Actually, it's 1.599, but let's do it 1.6. Okay? 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, go!
Gago, bilis ng mga heal yun.
Focus lahat ng memento sa akin. Lo!
Kinuha lahat.
Lo!
Pero may kinuha yung momento.
Lo, may nagsacycle.
Okay, 1.6 only, okay, be honest. I will be the last person to get 1.6. Or at least 1.4, 1.5.
Look, kinukuha tapos binabalik.
Ubus na boss. Wala ka na ata makukuha eh.
Eh, meron yan, syempre. Kung may...
Wala na. Kulang pa.
Wala
Wala na naman si City.
Wala ko eh. May ano.
May mga sobro, binabalik tapos nag-aagawan pa.
Eh, pre,
Sobra
magkakabalik-balik
ako
din na kayo
100k.
niya.
Paano to?
Okay na yan, tawa. Trabaho ka na dun, late ka na.
Kaya nga.
Yo, Dark Claw is only 1.1M.
Guys,
Tapos ibabalik
post it.
pag ready na.
Post it.
Kuha
Post
pa rin,
it.
gago.
Don't overloot. Don't overloot, please. Don't overloot.
Magkano? 1.1?
1.6.
1.16.
Ano ba talaga? Nalilito ka ng sinasabi mo.
Ano? Magkano ba lahat? Dapat.
1.6M. Boys,
Pre,
1.6M
tama na yung
only.
pagkakuha.
1.4.
1.6M only. Please be fucking honest. I haven't gotten my split yet.
1.49 pa lang sa akin.
Sana magtayo yung kumuha ng...
GG's na ako, GG's na ako, Rios.
Bangunguti na sana.
Sana magtayo yung kumuha ng...
Oo nga. Sana mabungi bu. Ay, hindi. Joke lang.
Ayan.
Huwag naman.
Pati pagka.
Baka mabungi ako, guys.
Baka mabungi ako.
Ay, gago, hindi kita yung ano.
May putal pa rin yung akin ng point. Okay na yan.
Magkano ko lang sa Satsu?
Hindi.
Oh, ayan o. Mga isinoli na o. Ayaw nyo pala mabungi eh.
Soli nyo.
Ayaw mabungi ang puta.
Soli nyo.
O ba, walang pressure yung Mementos. Nakuha ko lahat.
Okay, 1.6 only. Please don't overlook, guys. Thank you.
Sino guys
Pabawas ako
na
eh.
ano?
Kinukuha ko yung mga bag eh. Yun,
Sino
okay na.
kulang dyan? Bibigyan ko na.
Yun, no.
Nasa akin lahat ng Memento, masaya na ako.
Ito na, 1.67M. Okay na, ticket na.
Bungi lang katapat.
Sobra kasing akin ng 20k. Sa inyo na yung 20k oh. Baka
Sige.
mabungi ako eh.
Nagagitin niyo yung ano.
Dark Blue, look. Okay, 1.6 only. Guys, post it. Post your inventory.
Oh, pre, sobra 1M sa akin.
Isang walang value yung akin.
Ay puta.
Saka na lang yung 70k. Bonus.
So, abang pala ako naglalagay.
Parang nasa ano, alam mo yung nasa hide. Yung volume mo parang, alam mo yung nasa ano, pinakalikod ng classroom. Hindi kita marinig ka.
Ay, gagi.
Ano?
Sorry.
Sasakto na ng 1.6k, magpapalit-palit na lang ako.
Ah,
Yeah.
Uy, sobra si Demi, oh.
Oo nga, 1.66. Oh, maduga, oh.
Trade me. I'll trade you the 60k sa excess.
Ano ko lang, grabe ka naman.
Baka sabihin nyo, kurakot ako. Hindi, sige, trade me.
Ano, wala.
Ay, gago!
Rakot ka talaga.
Gano'n ka kabayaan.
Pal ko pala, take all ko pal.
Walang 100k. Eh, dahil pala ganun yung ginawa ko kanina.
Lala, may namimili ko.
Sinasakto kasi, binabalanse ba?
Sakto kasi, tawag kasi dyan micromanage.
Yung,
Yun, no?
Grabe naman yun.
Hindi man tayo pre pulubi.
Wala na sa inyo na yan.
Okay na, 1.62 na.
oh, sige.
Gago, kulang pa rin. Ang kinang...
Yung mount
Diba mga nag-underlook?
Ako nawala yung mga
Nag-underlook.
mount eh. Yung musman
Mga
lang, kahit
nag-underlook.
man lang mus eh. Wala man
Bobo ni Rosas, hindi pala kumuha. Pinali ko nga.
Naubos.
1.58.
Yung dalawang mus, inubo agad eh.
Okay na to, 1.58.
Okay, I'll close it na. 5,
Close
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Okay. Post it on Oreo Zone.
Ay, gago, yung Mart Lakip ko pala yung isa.
Ano?
TY.
Mali mo.
Wala. Ayoko na, malib guild na ako.
Ay, sumobra yung akin.
Guys,
1.7.
GG. Can we watch the bot?
Kulang ako.
I-trade nyo na lang yung 100k.
Boss, ilang set tayo sa 14, boss?
Tingnan mo
Wala.
ang bod ko.
Wala ko naririnig.
Bod ako sa DPS. Tingnan nyo yung bod ko.
Gagawin natin sa 14.
Mahala kayo dyan talaga. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Tangina pagpahinga.
Baggage center.
Sarap nung gate, gagi.
Ay, paano? Patingin ng board. Let's watch the board. What
Nasa ano?
Ano
DPS.
ba? Ako muna.
stupidity that we did.
Haldead.
Yung unang fight yun.
Wait ko naman. Ako yata yung pinakamabait sa gilid na to. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Less yung nilot ko guys. Mabait kasi ako.
Boss, ano to, boss? Slow mass. Okay, slow mass pala.
Balo ka dyan.
Urios, sobrang sarap ng buhay na life curse, putang ina.
Diba? Sabi ko